Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Huracan versus BMW M8. We will explore their distinct characteristics, from raw power to daily usability, helping you decide which high-performance machine best suits your desires. Let's dive into the thrilling world of these two incredible vehicles and see how they stack up against each other in key areas. When it comes to driving dynamics, these cars offer very different experiences. The Huracan is a pure supercar, designed for exhilarating performance and a direct connection to the road. Its precise steering and firm suspension make every drive an event. The M8, however, blends high performance with grand touring comfort, making it a versatile choice for various driving situations. Visually, these vehicles are worlds apart. The Huracan screams exotic supercar with its dramatic angles and attention-grabbing presence. Its interior is minimalist and performance-oriented. In contrast, the M8 exudes sophisticated power with its elegant lines and luxurious cabin. It offers a more spacious and technologically advanced environment, perfect for longer journeys. Considering value and practicality, the M8 offers a compelling package of luxury and performance at a more accessible price. The Huracan, while more expensive, delivers an unparalleled exotic car experience. For those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Both cars are incredible, but they cater to distinct desires, so choose the one that truly speaks to your driving passion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.